When we hear the word artificial intelligence, many things come to mind: robots, future movies, machines taking over jobs, or something very complicated. Some people feel excited, but many people feel scared. If you are a student and you feel AI is too advanced for me, or I don't have a technical background, then this video is exactly for you. Because the truth is very simple: artificial intelligence is not scary, artificial intelligence is not magic, and AI is much simpler than it sounds. In this video, I will explain AI using real life examples, very simple language, and zero coding. By the end of this video, you will realize something surprising: you already use AI every single day without knowing it. Let's understand artificial intelligence using a real life example. Imagine a small child. When a child is born, they don't know anything. They don't know any language, they don't know rules, they don't know objects. So, how does a child learn? A child learns by watching people, listening to sounds, copying actions, and making mistakes. For example, if you show a child a cat and say this is a cat again and again, the child slowly understands what a cat is. At first, the child might make mistakes. They may call a dog a cat. They may get confused. But over time, with more examples, the child improves. This is called learning from experience. Now, here is the most important idea of this video. Artificial intelligence learns in the same way. The only difference is humans use a brain, AI uses data. That's it. No magic, no mystery. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? In very simple words, artificial intelligence means teaching machines to learn from examples, so they can think, predict, and make decisions like humans. AI does not think on its own. AI does not wake up with feelings. AI does not have emotions. AI only learns from the data we give it, the examples we show it, and if the data is good, AI performs well. If the data is bad, AI makes mistakes. Just like humans, so AI is not intelligent by default, it becomes intelligent through learning. Let's understand one important misunderstanding. AI is not magic, AI does not know everything, and AI does not give correct answers. AI can be wrong. Why? Because AI depends completely on the quality of data, the instructions humans give. So when you see AI doing something impressive, remember this: humans designed it, humans trained it, humans control it. So AI is powerful, but it is still a tool. Now let me ask you something. Do you use Google Maps? Do you use Instagram? Do you use Netflix or YouTube? If yes, then you already use AI. When Google Maps show you the fastest route, that is AI. When Instagram shows you reels you like, that is AI. When Netflix recommends a movie, that is AI. Even some things like face unlock on your phone, voice assistants like Hey Google, autocorrect while typing, all of this is artificial intelligence. You don't see robots walking around, but AI is quietly working in the background as smart software. Now let's clear the biggest myth. Many people think artificial intelligence means robots. This is not true. A robot is a physical body, AI is a brain. A robot can exist without AI and AI can exist without a robot. For example, a remote control toy is a robot but not AI. Your phone recommendations are AI but there is no robot. So when people say AI is growing, they do not mean robots are coming. They mean software is becoming smarter. Now let's answer the most common question. Should we fear artificial intelligence? The answer is no. AI is a tool, just like the internet, just like computers, just like smartphones. When the internet came, people were scared. But today, those who learned it succeeded. The same thing is happening with AI. People who understand AI will grow faster, people who ignore it will struggle. Let me end with one important message. Artificial intelligence is not here to replace humans, it is here to support humans. AI will not replace people. People who use AI will replace those who don't. And the best part is, you are starting at the right time. In the next video, I will explain AI versus machine learning versus deep learning in a very simple way without confusion. Subscribe to Tech Geek Live and let's learn AI together, step by step, without fear. Thank you.